Yes, I'm sure she achieved this glow by switching to Geico. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. I guess I'm not really being sneaky by changing my shirts because I'm guessing you guys can still tell I'm wearing these same massive eyelashes that I have been for like the past 25 videos. This shirt is giving me very like 1980s shoulder pad vibes, which is something I don't need. I have enough padding up here for just an army of businesswomen. So anywho, today we're going to be getting into another unboxing, and it is of this box right here. This is the Allure beauty box for the month of August. It has definitely been a couple of months since I have done an Allure beauty unboxing, and I think I can tell that because like my stack of 2 box over here has a couple Allures in it, and then the last one that I actually did and filmed just went tragically. So I think it's been a couple of months since I've actually posted one of these. For those of you who do not know, the Allure Beauty Box is a $15 monthly subscription, and inside you receive like sample size. Every now and then you get like a random full size thing or a travel size. This box I personally think is just like a little bit better than Sephora Play because you do every now and then get a full size product. Sometimes that's even like something from Sunday Riley, which is very expensive. However, I did get onto my Sephora like account thingy today, and I am considering just giving Sephora Play another shot. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Should I resubscribe or should I not? I cannot blink in these. All right, so Allure has undergone some changes. We do not get the red box anymore. It comes in, wow. Apparently every single one of them is gonna look like it glows in the dark. It comes in a little plastic baggie like this, and it's just so neon. Ooh. So let's dive on into here. I'm gonna go for like the sample list. The item that comes in a foil packet. First, this is from Erno Lazlo, New York. This is a multitask eye serum mask. So it's like 2 little boomerang patches that go under your eyes, or I assume there's 2 in there. That would make sense. Yeah, there's 2. It says this is a silky all-in-one hydrogel eye patch formulated with powerhouse ingredients to tackle the major signs of under-eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles to deliver immediate results under the eye area. And as somebody who sometimes lacks sleep, I can definitely say that I have some dark circles, puffiness. I'm also a 27-year-old lady, so I am experiencing some like fine lines and stuff around the eyes. Out of all of Jenna's little like fun lines and stuff, I think 32-year-old lady is my absolute favorite. All right, so next up here we have something from Primera. This is a, there we go, Alpine Berry Water Cream for hydration and glow. Ooh. It says a nourishing moisturizer that protects, crafted from seed to skin. And it appears we have one of my favorite little pots of things where it looks like you're getting a decent sized amount, and then wha-bam, on the bottom it's completely hollow. We have what appears to be just a very standard looking cream. I've tried water creams before, but nothing from this brand. And the addition of alpine berries make it sound unique. I don't know what they do, but it makes it sound good. Okay, so next up here we have something from Nuria. This is a triple action eye cream with mulberry root and ginseng, which is native to China. Delicate. Oh, okay, so this is actually just in a little squeezy tube. For some reason I was expecting it to be in like a glass roller ball. I don't know why that's what I was envisioning. It has the same little color combination on the squeezy tube itself. It seems to be decently full, about up to here. You do get a ½ ounce with this, and for eye cream that's pretty good because a little bit goes a long way. I actually love eye creams and I use a lot of different kinds. Do they do anything? I don't really know. Not 100% sure, but I like putting them on. They feel really nice. Oh, this is cool. It says Nuria supports women and girls globally to make a meaningful difference in their lives. So I wonder what they do. That's really cool. Next up to bat here, we have something that I'm giving straight to my mom. This is a little sample of the They're Real mascara from Benefit, and she loves this mascara. So anytime I get a sample of it, I give it straight to her, and she uses literally every last drop of it. Okay, next up we have something that I'm really excited about. These have been a lifesaver for me as a person who hates washing their face so much. I get like angry thinking about it. I absolutely hate splashing water into my face, and this makeup eraser business has made it 1,000 times easier for me to wash my face. If you put some micellar water on a makeup eraser, it takes like 47 seconds to remove all of your makeup. I'm talking eyeliner, mascara, it's just gone. And then I know there's like a billion other things you gotta do after that, but the makeup removal process with the makeup eraser and just some of that micellar water, just, it's beautiful. Oh, this says it equals 36, almost 3,600 makeup wipes. I believe it. Oh, it's so cute and cool. So this is the Makeup Eraser Mini, and this time I got mine in a black shade. The other mini version that I have is the hot pink, like original version. I kind of like that this comes in black because I do wear so much eyeliner and mascara, specifically mascara, which does tend to stain my makeup eraser a little bit, so it's nice that this is black and you won't be able to see the stains. So I am quite excited to have another one of these. They have just made my makeup removal process at the end of the night so much easier. Do you all ever just wonder where you get like little tiny round bruises from? Where'd that come from? I feel like I've done nothing to cause that. Okay, next up in here we have something from Laritzi Cosmetics. This honestly looks like it could be a full-size product. This is the Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. I got mine in the shade Topaz. Ooh, that's really pretty. So this is what it looks like inside the little tube. It's a really pretty kind of like pale gold champagne-y color. I like that quite a bit. It is really pretty on the back of the hand. It feels a little bit oily, so I'm not 100% sure if it would dry down to like where you could wear it as an eyeshadow. And honestly, it does kind of dissipate out quite a bit, so I'm not 100% sure what to do with this. Maybe if you're going for like a very light makeup day, it would make a really pretty kind of gleaming highlight. I'll read a little bit more about this in the pamphlet. Maybe they'll give us some more like ideas of how to use it, but I do think this is a full size, so that's pretty snazzy. And then finally, last but not least, we have something from Cargo. Oh, I haven't received anything from Cargo in a while. Oh, this is actually a lip color. So this is a little box, which is super, super cute. And inside it says it has an essential lip color in it. So let's go ahead and stamp it. Oh, pretty. I like the outer packaging. This is in the shade Paris. Oh, okay. Oh, dropped the lid. I wish everything had lids like those water bottles when you unscrew it and they have their own little like device that prevents the lid from being lost. I wish everything had that type of lid. Lipstick, face powder, Tupperware, just all of the above because I cannot keep track of lids. Okay, so this appears to be a very vibrant red shade, a little bit almost orangish looking just in the actual tube. We'll see how it swatches though. Alright, so there it is swatched in the back of the hand. I think everybody in this town owns a motorcycle. How did everybody in one town decide to go out one day and just buy a motorcycle? So there it is swatched in the back of the hand. It is very creamy, very pigmented. It is a little bit deeper than it's showing up on like the screen right now. I would have used my makeup eraser, but I gotta wash it first. Not that that random piece of paper was any more clean than the makeup eraser. I mean, that is a lot of pigment right there. Alright, so here is the Cargo lipstick in Paris on. I actually kind of like it with the shirt I'm wearing, but this all together is a pretty intense look. Underneath here, if it's still there, I'm wearing like red eyeshadow with a glitter crease and the largest pair of lashes I could find.
Not to mention this random black smudge. Looking good.
Well, technically it was the only pair of lashes I could find, but they just also happen to be the largest. But as for a red lipstick goes, I think it's really pretty. Definitely smooth and creamy. I feel like I might need a little bit of like a lip brush to kind of clean up the edges. But overall, I think it's actually a very nice, pretty red lipstick. I love how the girl on this magazine has like just this natural beauty, glowing skin going on, and I'm over here like... But really quickly, let's flip through this book together and see some full-size prices of these items. So the full size of the They're Real mascara is $25. Oh wow, the full size of the Multitask Eye Serum Mask is $35. So I don't know how many pieces you actually get for that $35, but I still feel like this is probably at least a $3, $4, $5 product. There must have been a meeting I missed or something. Alright, so according to Sephora's website, it looks like you're getting 6 little individual packets with 2 patches in them a piece, so you're getting basically 6 uses. So they're almost $6 a... That was my cell phone. So these little packets are almost $6 a piece. Then we have the Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream, which is $40 full size. Then we have the Nura Defend Triple Action Eye Cream, which is also $40 full size. The Cargo Cosmetics lipstick is $22. The Laritzi Liquid Beam in Topaz is also $22. And then the mini makeup eraser is $12. And then we also have the Geico ad on the back. Get that post-savings glow. Yes, I'm sure she achieved this glow by switching to Geico. Really quickly, I'm just gonna type in some of the prices of things I actually know just to see kind of what value we're getting in this box. Alright, so if my math is good, probably not. This box actually came to like a $78.50 total, which I think is personally pretty good. I know that the makeup eraser is a mini, but this is something that you can honestly get like a million uses out of. And then we have 2 actual full-size products, so I think that's really good, honestly. I tell ya, every time I do an Allure unboxing, or recently I feel like Allure has stepped up their game, it makes me recall Sephora Play and how much more they could actually do with their box. But I guess I can't say much. I haven't received Sephora Play in quite some time. Not exactly up to my own volition. I still don't know what happened with that subscription, but I am considering, like I said, resubscribing to it. Let me know your thoughts about that. And also let me know your thoughts about this box. I think this was a pretty good one. Yeah, there was a good amount of skincare stuff in here, but also a lot of makeup. For me, I actually really like this month's box, but again, I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time.